Bucharest is the capital and largest city of Romania, with a population of approximately 2 million people. The city has a rich history dating back to the 15th century when it was founded by a prince named Vlad III. Throughout the centuries, Bucharest has been heavily influenced by various cultures, including Ottoman, French, and Soviet. Today, the city is known for its mix of old and new architecture, vibrant nightlife, and growing tourism industry. Bucharest's architecture reflects its diverse history, with styles ranging from traditional Romanian to modernist and Art Nouveau. Some popular landmarks include the Palace of the Parliament, the second-largest administrative building in the world, and the Arcul de Triumf, a triumphal arch built in 1922 to commemorate Romania's victory in World War I. Bucharest experiences a humid continental climate with hot summers and cold winters. During the summer months, temperatures can reach up to 35 degrees Fahrenheit or 95 degrees Celsius, while in winter, temperatures can drop below freezing. The city also experiences moderate rainfall throughout the year. Bucharest has a diverse population, with Romanian being the most common ethnic group. The city also has significant populations of Roma, Hungarians, and Germans. Romanian is the official language, but English and French are widely spoken. Romanian cuisine is known for its hearty dishes, with meat playing a central role in many meals. Popular dishes include sarmale, cabbage rolls stuffed with meat and rice, and mici, grilled mincemeat rolls. Bucharest also has a vibrant cafe culture, with many coffee shops and bakeries serving traditional Romanian pastries like cozonac, a sweet bread filled with walnuts and raisins. Bucharest's economy is diverse, with industries ranging from finance and IT to manufacturing and tourism. The city is home to many multinational companies and has a growing startup scene. Bucharest is also an important transportation hub, with an international airport and extensive railway and road networks. The city's tourism industry is growing rapidly, with visitors drawn to its historical landmarks, vibrant nightlife, and cultural attractions.